Good morning to all of you. Welcome to Legal Matters by Sai Baba Sunkara. Video number 1408. Right. Today we are going to discuss an important topic relating to the Family Courts Act. You may be knowing the Family Courts Act was introduced to expedite the disputes regarding the family matters like marriage, divorce, then maintenance, restitution of conjugal rights, etc. Previously, they have to be filed in the civil court to get a decree for divorce, to get an order for restitution of the conjugal rights. But you all know, civil matters or civil cases take a long time. But the marriage disputes within the family matters have been piling up in the courts. Therefore, Family Courts Act has come into existence. Now, an important point has to come here. Whether an order given by the family court regarding maintenance can be appealed in the family court under section 19 of the Family Courts Act or not. This is the point. Actually, by mistake, a family court wanted to take up the matter, but the registrar has raised an objection, and ultimately, so the court has given a clear cut, the High Court has given a clear cut answer for this. While disposing the case of LIAQAT Hussain versus Zainabi is the wife, and another 2020. You can see it, page number 130 ALL. Here, what happened is the appellant, that is, actually I cannot say appellant, the respondent, that is Zainabi parveen. She married the appellant LIAQAT Hussain on 31/3/2013. Right? Theirs was a happy family life for some time. As a result of their family life, a female child was born. Later, disputes cropped up between them, and Zainabi parveen, she left the house and started staying in her parental house. She filed a petition before the family court, Amroha, it is Amroha, under section 125 CRPC. Here also we have to think about 125. Why? They can go for Hindu Marriage Act, because since it is a civil case, it takes long time. Family Courts Act has been amended to include the petitions under 125 CRPC also. Right. Here, the inquiry is over, and the family court ordered the appellant, that is the LIAQAT Hussain, to pay 7,000 rupees as monthly maintenance to the wife, as well as 5,000 to the daughter to bring her up. This order was given on 28/10/2021, very recently. So, agreed by this man, LIAQAT Hussain, is not able to pay 12,000 per month. Right? So, he has come in appeal. First before the High Court, Family Court itself, then now the matter has come to the High Court. So he has filed an appeal under section 19 of the Family Courts Act. But please remember, here the registrar has raised an objection that an appeal against 125 CRPC orders cannot be taken by the family court, because family court is the court which has given the orders itself. So when you have given the order under section 7, now you cannot take up the matter as an appeal in as per order 19. Of course, if the 125 CRPC maintenance order is given by the lower court, magistrate court or somebody, then the appeal can be taken by the family court. This is the simple point. But by mistake it has come. Now Allahabad has cleared it by saying that the Family Courts Act is for the speedy settlement of disputes regarding marriages and family affairs. It can take up by the appeals by virtue of section 7 of the act. But here the appeal should be from the lower court, but it cannot take an appeal by the orders given by the court itself. So please remember, according to here in this case, actually this LIAQAT Hussain applied for the restitution of conjugal rights also. For some time she has accepted, but later she asked for the maintenance, and ultimately the maintenance was given. Now the High Court has to take up the matter. Friends, remember, in this case the main point is the first principle of natural justice. One should not be a judge in his own case. When you give an order, you cannot be an appellate authority. Appellate authority should be your higher court, that is High Court. Your higher court, that is High Court. Here it has been very clearly stated. Right? Very good judgment. Please refer to it if you find time. This you can find it LIAQAT Hussain versus Zainabi Parveen 2020 MMLJ 130 within brackets Allahabad High Court. Right? Thank you very much.